Are you ready to learn some real life English? Because today I'm going to teach you 10 common expressions you must know if you want to speak English better. So before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So the first expression we're gonna learn today is I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty means I want something to drink. You need something to drink. For example, I'm thirsty, I need some water. I'm thirsty, I need some water. So you're feeling thirst. You're feeling to drink water. Or after the game, I'm thirsty. So if you're playing basketball, football, cricket, whatever sport is, after the game, you get thirst. So you need to drink water. Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is hurry up. Hurry up means do something quickly. When you do something quickly. For example, please, hurry up, the bus is coming. Hurry up, the bus is coming. So you're talking to your friend and you want to ride a bus and the bus coming. So your friend, if he's busy or doing something, you say, hurry up, the bus is coming. For example, please hurry up. If you want to say a person, please be quick or chop, you say, please hurry up. Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is be careful. Very useful and common. So be careful means pay attention or stay safe. Pay attention and stay safe. So be careful. For example, be careful when you cross the road. So if you have a kid and your kids go to the school or somewhere, you tell them they be careful when they crossing the road because they're cars. So just be careful. Or be careful with the knife. Be careful with the knife. So if a person holding a knife in an inappropriate way or it can cut himself, you tell them to be careful with the knife. Let's jump to the next word. The next word is expression, sorry. The next expression is wait a minute. So wait a minute means wait for a short time. Wait a minute, wait a short time. For example, if you're doing something and your friend asks you, hey, hurry up, the bus is coming. And you say, wait a minute. So wait a little bit longer. For example, wait a minute, I'm coming. Wait a minute, I'm coming. So you can use those expressions, hurry up and wait a minute at the same time. So when your friend say to you, hey, hurry up, the bus is coming. Wait a minute, I'm coming. Yeah. So another expression would be another example. Please wait a minute. Please wait a minute. In a polite way to say, please wait a shorter time or something. Let's jump to the next expression is come here. Come here means come to this place. So if you want to call a person and he want to come to you, you tell them, come here, come here. For example, come here and look at this. Come here and look at this. So you call person to come to you and look something. Or come here, please come here, please come here. Just normal. Please come here. Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is let's go. Let's go means it's time to leave or start. Let's go or let's get start. The first when I started the video, I said let's get start. So that means let's start or it's time to leave. For example, let's go to school. Let's go to school. So let's go to school. We're going to school. Or let's go now. Let's go now. We late. Let's go now. Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is ask about something that accurate. Something that accurate. Like for example, what happened to your phone? What happened to your phone? Or what happened here? What happened here? If something happened at a place and the people were there, you ask them, hey, what happened here? So you have no clue. You don't know what's going on there. So you ask them, what happened here? Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is, are you okay? Are you okay means ask if someone is fine. You ask if a person is fine. For example, are you okay after the fall? Are you okay after the fall? So a person fell down and you ask them, are you okay after the fall? So fell down is when a person fall down on the ground or just, slipped. Or you look sad. Are you okay? You look sad. Are you okay? You're asking your friends if they're not feeling well and you think, oh, this person does not look well. You say, are you look sad? Are you okay? Let's jump to the last expression. The last expression is I miss you. I miss you means I want to see you because you are not here. I think that's a good example. Let's make example. I miss you, my friend. I miss you, my friend. So you miss your friend. You want to see your friend. So you miss them. Or we miss you at this school. We miss you at this school. We miss you. You and your friends miss other people. So we miss you at this school. Another person. So those guys are 9 common expressions. Sorry, I supposed to teach you 10, but we just ended up 9 expressions. But these 9 expressions is pretty useful, common, and we use in our daily life. So I want you to write down all of them and make it sentences, all of them. So also make a sentence one of those phrases at the comment right now. Maybe just say something about you miss me or asking me something, use one of those phrases at the comment and it would help you a lot. That is how I learn English and it's pretty useful. So guys, see you next video. Have a good one.